If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your to-do list or struggled to keep track of your weekly goals, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a streamlined daily and weekly planner in Clickup, so you can manage your tasks, stay organized, and get more done with less stress. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Clickup workspace. If you're new to Clickup, your workspace is basically your command center, where all your projects, lists, and tasks live. It's the starting point for anything you want to organize, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in your workspace, the next step is to select the project where you want your planner to live. Maybe you've got a project for your personal productivity, your side business, or even family routines. Choosing the right project helps you keep things organized and ensures that your planner will be easy to find later. Now it's time to add a list. In Clickup, lists are like folders. They help you wrangle together all the tasks and subtasks you'll be planning out. Go ahead and hit that Add List button. Even if you've never created a list in Clickup before, don't worry. This process is quick and super intuitive. Instead of building your planner from scratch, we're going to save time by using a template. Templates in Clickup are a fantastic way to jumpstart your setup because they come preloaded with structure and organization. Look for the option to use a template. Usually you'll see a button or link right when you're adding your new list. Here, where we get specific, type in weekly into the search bar. This tells Clickup you're looking for a planner focused on organizing your week and daily tasks. You don't need to scroll endlessly. Just that one keyword usually pulls up a variety of options. Now search for weekly planner. Don't rush, sometimes it takes a moment for all the templates to load. Once you see the weekly planner template pop up, go ahead and select it. If you see a few different choices, you can preview them to find the layout that feels most useful for your workflow. Click Use Template, and just like that, Clickup will set up your brand new weekly planner in your chosen project. This is one of my favorite features. Not only does it save you from the nitty-gritty of building everything yourself, but it also gives you ideas on organization and task tracking that you might not have considered. Here comes the fun part, editing the planner to match your own preferences. Maybe you want to break things down by time of day or add categories for personal, work, or family priorities. Don't be afraid to customize. Rename folders, tweak task names, add your favorite emojis, or adjust the color scheme if that helps you feel more inspired. Remember, your planner is here to serve you, so make it your own, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you've gone from an empty workspace to a powerful daily and weekly planner, tailored exactly for your needs. If you ever feel stuck or want to make your planner even more effective, just come back and make adjustments over time. Clickup is flexible. Think of this as a living system that grows as you do. If you found this tutorial helpful, help me out by giving it a thumbs up. Drop any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help out if you get stuck or want more tips on planner setup. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another workflow or productivity tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and get ready to crush your week.